Hi there everyone! Today I want to share with you a fantastic chocolate zucchini cake recipe. This chocolate zucchini cake is an absolute delight. The recipe is incredibly simple. You don't even need a hand mixture to prepare it. Goes really fast and the result is beyond expectation. It's moist, rich and chocolatey, and the chocolate chunk inside are melted and create an amazing texture. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome! Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you will find many interesting recipes. Let's get started. In a bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients. 1¼ cup of all-purpose flour, ½ cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and ½ teaspoon of salt. Set aside until ready to use. In another bowl, whisk 2 eggs with ½ cup of white granulated sugar, ¼ cup of sour cream, and ¼ cup of vegetable oil. Once these are well combined, add flour mixture and stir well. Then add 2 cups of grated zucchini and stir an additional well. After that, add 3 ounces of dark chocolate. I use 9x8 square cake pan greased and lined with parchment paper. Pour the butter evenly. Add some chocolate on top. Bake in preheated oven at 302 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes or until a thick comes out film from the center. Our cake is baked. Let it cool completely on a wire rack. Once the cake is cooled, we're ready to be enjoyed. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.